In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Countif function in Google Sheets. If you want to quickly count how many times a specific word, value, or label appears in your spreadsheet, the Countif function is a simple and very useful tool. It helps you scan a range of cells and return a total based on one condition, which makes it perfect for things like tracking payment statuses, attendance, task progress, or any repeated category in a list. To get started, click on the cell where you want the total count to appear. This is the cell that will display the result of your formula, so choose a spot that makes sense and keeps your sheet organized. It's often helpful to place the result near the data you are analyzing, so it's easy to find later. Next, type equals Countif, followed by an opening parenthesis. In Google Sheets, every formula starts with an equals sign, and this tells the spreadsheet that you want to perform a calculation rather than enter plain text. The Countif function specifically counts cells that meet a condition you define. After that, select or type the data range you want Google Sheets to search through. Then add a comma. For example, you might use a range like a 1 through a 10. This range tells the function where to look for matching values. You can click and drag to highlight the cells or type the range manually if you prefer. Just make sure the range includes all the cells you want counted and nothing extra, especially if your list contains headers or unrelated data. Now type your condition inside double quotation marks. For example, if you want to count how many cells contain the word paid, enter it in quotation marks after the comma. This condition is the rule that Google Sheets will use to decide which cells should be included in the final total. Be careful to match the text exactly as it appears in your sheet, so your results are accurate. Then close the parenthesis and press Enter. Google Sheets will immediately calculate the result and show the total number of cells in that range that match your condition. If your data changes later, the result will update automatically, which is one of the biggest advantages of using formulas instead of counting manually. That's all it takes to use the Countif function in Google Sheets. It's quick, efficient, and a great way to summarize repeated data without extra work. Thanks for watching.